To other news now, the mother of the 10-year-old boy who was shot and killed in Arnett Gardens in St. Andrew is speaking out this evening. Her son, Jaheem Bogle, died Friday morning after he was shot in the head during a drive-by shooting in the community on Thursday. As Kalisha Williams now reports, residents in the community also took to the streets demanding justice.
A mother in pain, but no tears to shed.
Can't believe it's a Jaheem dead. All of me just can't believe it. I just in a denial. I don't believe Sam dead, you know. Because all now, I don't believe it none at all. I can't cry because I can't believe it. I don't know when it's going to hit me, but I just can't believe my son dead.
It's been 24 hours since Monique's son, Jaheem Bogle, was seen here riding his bicycle in Arnett Gardens, St. Andrew, moments before gunmen sprayed this wall with bullets, hitting him in the head. Now all that's left are the memories, like this one, a text message Monique said Jaheem sent her on Tuesday, which reads, "I love you, Mom." She responded, "Love you too, son." Jaheem then said, "Okay, you at work? Tell my sister I love her." His sister sent a voice note. Then Jaheem responded, "I love you too, sis." Little did Monique know those would have been his final words to her.
I ever see it on Facebook and Instagram and so. I ever pray to Father God for cover my pitney.
Jaheem lived with his mother but was visiting his father when the tragedy happened. We were told that although Jaheem was in a serious condition, there was hope he would have pulled through.
When I done there, the doctor tell me say the shot got through him brain, got through him head, and him brain swell and him brain bones muscle shattered. So you know same brain as swell. So it's either if you make it, him I got turn vegetable, or it's a 50-50 chance we make it.
But Jaheem died around 8 o'clock Friday morning. By 10 o'clock, this was the scene in the community. Residents came out in solidarity with the weeping family, demanding justice for Jaheem.
Innocent is from backward, you know, fire, look at why shot and kill the little boy, sir. Eh? Me done that already, said when you see me an attack, or if you don't want to come, you don't come kill me because I'm dead body, you don't look pan.
There has been tension in Arnett Gardens for some time now, and despite the intervention of the police and military forces, it seems things have not gotten any better. Just last month, 2 men were killed meters away from where Jaheem was shot.
You want justice? Where is Mark Golden? See the little girl, she panic all now, she a ball for her friend. She and him did stand up side and side and them kill the little boy. Where's Mark Golden? All now him not coming at jungle top, all now.
You know, see no gunman yesterday when you fire, you shot them. I pay a little pitney, they on the back wall when you fire, I play a ball when they, and you have to fire, they shot them, so? Eh? You tell me, say you not have no heart?
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.